You know that feeling of getting dinner in the crock pot before you even get out of your robe for the morning? That's the feeling of, yeah, pretty much crushed today. That's because every night, without fail, your family's going to expect to eat. That's the idea behind easy dinners for busy moms. Here's how this cookbook's going to work. Easy Dinners for Busy Moms is a slow cook once, eat twice cookbook. What that means is on day one, I give you a crock pot recipe that's large enough you should have leftovers to create a whole different meal the second night. The best part about this is that you can use cuts of meat that are usually very inexpensive. So these meals, they're not going to cost you a lot. For example, here I'm making a Dijon pork roast where I'll serve the pork roast as is the first night. And then the next night I take you to Vietnam for these pork sandwiches. I hope this cookbook takes some of the overwhelm out of making dinner for your family every night. I also hope you'll become a regular subscriber of Natural Green Mom. Every week I come into your inbox with tips and tricks for creating a happy and healthy home.